to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. Today we're going to be talking about the future tense using will. So see if you can describe this picture. And we can create a sentence using will plus tomorrow. So you might say something like, the boy will go to school tomorrow. So we use will to express the future. Remember, we use going to express actions which have a definite plan. Will should be used when plans are less certain or as a general use for the future. And the future form is the subject plus will plus the infinitive. So I will drink, you will run, he will eat, she will study, it will come, we will go, they will learn. All right, now we'll match the pictures to the sentences. So the plane will land on time. The children will be at school on Friday. And it will be sunny every day. Now see if you can make some of your own sentences using will. And try these, making future sentences using will. All right, so now you'll complete these sentences using will and the correct form of the verb that is given. First one is done for you. They will have a nice time at the beach. So go ahead and pause the video, and then you can restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, the weather will be good this time of year. They will visit a national park to go hiking. The family will rent bikes one day to take a tour of the countryside. We need to chat. Call me tonight. I will be at home. I will call you tonight to talk about work. He will meet you at the train station at 7 p.m. We are free on Sunday, so we will visit you on Sunday afternoon. We will be late tomorrow unless we leave earlier. They will lose the game if they don't play well. We will eat a big breakfast tomorrow morning before the swimming lesson. And the car will run out of gas soon. Please make sure you fill it up. Now there's a contracted form of will. It's the apostrophe LL. So I'll pronounce each of these. I'll eat, you'll laugh, he'll read, she'll walk, it'll learn, we'll watch, they'll forget. All right, now match the pictures. So here we might say the man will be in the office next week. The children will walk to school tomorrow. She and her boyfriend will play tennis this afternoon. Now use a contraction to complete these sentences along with one of the verbs from the boxes. The first one is done. I'll send a package. I'll send the package tonight. Now you can go ahead and pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So here would be he'll email you tomorrow to let you know about the meeting. They'll run 10 kilometers today through the forest. Don't worry, she'll watch the children tonight while you are at dinner. They'll drink mineral water. Please make sure we have some. He'll borrow your car to pick up the kids tomorrow. I'm not sure if they'll come to the game tonight. Sorry, I'm not sure if I'm not sure they'll win the game tomorrow night. And then we'll come to your house tomorrow night to watch the game. Now, shall can replace will for I and we. So instead of saying I will or we will, you could say we shall or I shall. But we don't really use shall with you, they, he, she, or it. So I shall be late tomorrow evening. We shall leave early tomorrow morning. But we generally wouldn't say Jared shall eat at home tonight. And also I should mention that shall is very formal. We don't really use it that much in everyday conversation in English, but you might hear it in more formal settings. All right, so now you're going to use shall plus the verb, one of the verbs from the boxes to indicate the future. Go ahead and pause the video and try that on your own, but then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So I shall, let's see, sleep at home tonight. I need a good sleep. We shall be pleased to help you to your car. We shall take some leftovers home tonight. And then I shall feel tired if I do not get enough rest before the long meeting tomorrow. And then we often say I think plus will to make predictions about the future. So I think he will win the race. So we're making a prediction about the future. We are not certain that the event will happen, but we think it will happen. Use think plus will in the sentences below. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. First one is done for you. I think that Tom will pass the exam next week. Okay, so I think that our team will win the game tomorrow night. We think that the movie was great. Oh wait, sorry. We think that the movie will be great. And she thinks that the operation will cause pain. And then you can practice using I think plus will to make some sentences for each of these pictures. And now you'll want to correct the sentences. So the first one is done for you. It is freezing outside. I think will it snow tomorrow? It should be I think it will snow tomorrow. Go ahead and try these on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So she is going on a business trip. She will was in London on Monday. Um, so this one should be she will be in London on Monday. They will ski all day tomorrow. They shall be tired tomorrow night. So they'll so they will be tired tomorrow night. He is hungry. He shall prepare a cheese sandwich. You could say he'll prepare a cheese sandwich. The clouds are quite heavy. I think it will rain instead of yesterday. We probably would say today or soon, something like that. The players are not prepared for the game. I think they'll lose. You have an exam next week. I think this should be will pass the exam. They will like their presents. It should be they will like their presents. So remember, we do not use will for events or actions where a definite plan has been made. So I will be home tonight. You will have a good time. They will enjoy the show. I'm going to have dinner with a friend at 8. We are going to fly home tonight. She is going to sell her car to Tim tomorrow. All right, so now you'll have to pick the sentence, the correct sentence construction. The first one's already done. So it should be they are going to be on a train that time. At that time, the train is at 12:20. All right, so they are going to, let's see, they are going to be late if they don't leave soon. So she will take music lessons next year. She's always wanted to play the piano. As always, he is going to eat his lunch at his desk today. Give me a call tonight. I will be at home for most of the evening. I am confident that she's going to pass her driver's test tomorrow. And tomorrow afternoon, he is going to attend, or he is going to attend an important conference with his boss. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.